my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cat scratcher using just cardboard which you receive from packages like Amazon, Walmart, and etc. So I just wanted to use those items and create this. This is also a hanging cat scratcher, so you can even do a standalone like on the floor cat scratcher as well, which I have done before, but I don't have any video of that. I'll leave a picture up here so that you can go ahead and see that. So he really loves that one. It is almost 2 years old, but he still loves it. So yeah, to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Take some cardboard pieces and a ruler. I'm using the width of the ruler as a measurement, and I'm marking it using a pencil. Do the same for all the cardboards. Once that is done, this is how it should look. I'm also using this tool to cut the cardboard. So I'm taking this cardboard as a measurement and cutting all the other cardboards to this measurement, if that makes any sense. So ideally it's 24 centimeter. So I'm cutting everything into 24 centimeter so that they are even. Do the same for all the cardboards as well. Once that is done, take your cutting tool and cut all the cardboards, all the marked cardboards, and cut it into strips of the same length. Again, do the same for all the other cardboards. Once that is done, this is how it should look. So I decided to cut these strips into half because I thought I had a perfect amount of strips I wanted, but it was a little bit less and also pretty wide. So I thought, why not, let's cut it into half. Once that is done, this is how it should look. So each pieces are 12 centimeters, and now using the glue gun, stack each cardboard on top of each other. Once that is done, this is how it should look. So even though it's not perfect, it's okay because it's for your cat. So I'm taking this fabric which I got from a Dollar Tree. So I'm using this blue color here and measuring it for the sides, and using the same cardboard pieces, I'm just making a longer strip of cardboard base using this glue and sticking it into the fabric, onto the fabric. Do the same for all the 3 sides. So I'm leaving the bottom as it is because no one can see it, so I'm doing for the top, right and left. And now again, using the glue gun, just stick the fabric strip of cardboard on top of it. Once that is done, this is how it should look. Now it's time to attach the string. So I did not have a thicker string, so I am using this thinner jute rope and making it into a braid so that it is sturdier, and then attaching it to the back of the scratcher with the help of glue gun. Yeah, this is how it should look. It is pretty sturdy, so you can hang it on the door. So that's all for this DIY. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you ever recreate this DIY, please tag me on the Instagram at simply_DIY, which I'll be leaving down here, and also in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.